Came out to the bus today for a couple of reasons. First, I bought this mini dehumidifier from Ivation off of Amazon. According to Amazon, it can handle up to 1,100 square feet. This bus is nowhere near 1,100 square feet, but I still have a very bad humidity problem in here, so I'm going to try it and see what happens. It is tiny. This is my hammer. This thing only draws 2.5 amps maximum. Right now, on 110 on the inverter, 0.43 amps. And see if I can get back to watts. There we go, 22.5. So theoretically, on this semi-cloudy, semi-sunny day, it's full clouds, but they're thin, so a little bit of sun's getting through. I'm pulling 3 amps. Can't tell if it's focused or not. I pull that pretty much all the time when it's cloudy. So theoretically, that should not be able to run my batteries down any. But it is. So that's kind of interesting. Okay. Been about 20 minutes since I plugged it up. And I just shut all the windows and turned the fans off, so the humidity's starting to come back up. And even though I'm pulling 2.6 amps from the solar panels, it has gone down far enough to kick them in. I'm going to leave for a bit, come back this afternoon. Actually, now it would be this evening, and see if there's any water down in there. Be back later. Okay, it's been going for about 3.5 hours, and it's only gotten a tiny amount of water, which is good. Turn this off so we can hear what I'm saying. And I've been running the dehumidifier on solar. Batteries are still pretty much full. About 15 minutes later, and the humidity has gone down. So yeah, it's doing its job. I just emptied the little bitty tiny amount that was in there because I will not be able to be here tomorrow, and this is supposed to be able to last 2 days with that little bitty tiny container. So hopefully it does. We'll find out. And no, for anyone wondering, I am not being paid by Ivation. I'm just showing you what this little bitty tiny thing does. And that's it. I'm headed to the house. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up below it. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening and all the travels that are soon to come, click the big red and white blinking subscribe button with all the arrows.